Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to tell you some budget-friendly tips to spruce up your house without breaking the bank.
Don't forget to subscribe and like so you don't miss any of our tips.
First up, painting. Paint is simple and it can transform any room. You can go to the hardware store, look for budget-friendly paints. Go for lighter hues. Go for neutrals too to create an airy look.
Next, let's talk about hardware. You'd be surprised at how just changing a simple thing like hardware, like pulls and doorknobs and knobs on cabinets, can transform a space and make it look totally different. It's an easy and affordable way to update your room.
Lighting. New light fixtures and bulbs can transform the look of the room, and it doesn't have to be expensive. You can update your lighting in your kitchen, bathrooms, bedrooms. You can look for budget-friendly lighting in online thrift stores or local thrift stores.
Next up is textiles. Changing out your rugs, your curtains, and your throw pillows can really update a room. By adding a new pop of color, it really makes a big change in the room. Look for sales to try to get a deal. You can even go to a thrift store or look online, Amazon, Wayfair, or go to Home Goods, Target, or Bed Bath & Beyond. They all have good sales, especially this time of the year.
What about repurposing? Repurposing an old piece of wooden furniture, maybe sanding it down and painting it gives a new feel and look to your home. Also, consider reupholstering that old piece of furniture. You can add new colors, textures, patterns, and breathe new life into it.
Decluttering and organizing. It's so important to declutter your house. It helps to give it a more open feel, a more welcoming and inviting feel, and it helps all of us to give us a clearer mind when we're not in clutter.
Right.
It also makes it look cleaner. Check out our previous video on decluttering for more tips on how to declutter your home.
And if you make all the other changes we've suggested on this video and decluttered, your home will look fabulous.
Sure will.
And there you have it, a few budget-friendly updates from us.
We're the McLaughlin and Summer team, your trusted realtors in Loudoun County. If you need to reach out to us, you can reach us at mclaughlinansummer.realtor. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.